Hi guys! Do you want to create an interactive to-do list in Google Sheets? Like this? When I click the checkbox, the task is automatically crossed out. It's very easy. Let me show you. First, select the cells next to your tasks. Go to Insert and click Checkbox. Now we have checkboxes, but they don't do anything yet. Let's add magic. Select your tasks. Go to Format, then Conditional Formatting. On the right side, look for Format Cells if. Change it to Custom Formula is. Type this formula, equals $A2 equals true. Finally, choose the formatting style. I will choose Strike Through and change the color to gray. Click Done. Now let's test it. Click, click, click. Perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Sheets tips.